Hi, I'm Melissa Mortenson from Polka Dot Chair, and I am here in the Fat Quarter Studios to invite you to join me for the Let's Stay Home Quilt Row-Along. This quilt features my new collection with Riley Blake Designs called Fox Farm. The line was inspired a little bit by the English countryside. I spent a couple winters watching way too much British TV shows and kind of just got really inspired by a lot of that. It features a little fox, there's a fun print with dogs, and this dog actually is my dog at home, and then I've got my parents' little puppy there. All different kinds of fun things that you would see. You've got your wellies that would be lined up by the back door in the cottage, just kind of fun stuff like that. The quilt is called the Let's Stay Home quilt. I designed it after I'd been traveling for a little while and just was excited to travel, but really glad to be home, and someone had asked me to go do something and I thought, oh gosh, can't we just stay home? So I kind of designed the quilt inspired by home, and I just wanted to have that fun kind of cottagey feeling for it. So it features some star blocks and some house blocks. To get all the information for the row along, you can visit my blog or check out the links below. I'll give you all the information where to get the pattern, and I hope you join me.